In Singapore, motor insurance coverage is regulated by the Motor Vehicles, Third-Party Risks and Compensation Act. There are three main types of motor insurance coverage available to vehicle owners in Singapore. Third-party only (TPO) insurance. TPO insurance is the minimum legal requirement for all vehicles in Singapore. It covers the policyholder's liability for injury or death of third parties, for example, passengers, pedestrians, occupants of other vehicles, due to an accident involving the insured vehicle. Damage to third-party property, for example, other vehicles, buildings, road infrastructure, caused by the insured vehicle. Exclusions: TPO insurance does not cover any damage to the policyholder's own vehicle or any injuries sustained by the policyholder or their passengers in an accident. It is purely focused on covering liabilities to others. Use cases: TPO insurance is often chosen by those with older vehicles of lower value or those looking for the most budget-friendly option. However, it leaves the policyholder financially responsible for repairing or replacing their own vehicle if they are at fault in an accident. Third-party, fire, and theft (TPFT) insurance. TPFT insurance includes all the coverage of TPO insurance. Additionally, it provides coverage for loss or damage to the policyholder's own vehicle due to fire or theft. Exclusions: TPFT insurance does not cover accidental damage to the policyholder's own vehicle or injuries to the policyholder or their passengers in an accident. Use cases: TPFT insurance is suitable for those who want some protection for their own vehicle against specific risks like fire and theft but are not concerned about coverage for accidental damage. Comprehensive insurance. Comprehensive insurance offers the most extensive coverage and is not legally required but is highly recommended. It includes all the coverage of TPFT insurance and TPO insurance. Furthermore, it provides coverage for accidental damage to the policyholder's own vehicle, even if the policyholder is at fault in an accident. Personal injury benefits for the policyholder in the event of an accident. Exclusions: comprehensive insurance usually has a set of standard exclusions, which can vary between insurers. It's important to review your policy to understand these exclusions. Use cases: comprehensive insurance is a popular choice for those who want comprehensive protection for their own vehicle and themselves, as well as coverage for liabilities to others. It provides peace of mind in a wide range of situations, including accidents, theft, and fire. In summary, the choice of motor insurance coverage in Singapore depends on your individual needs and preferences. TPO insurance provides basic legal coverage, but leaves your own vehicle unprotected. TPFT insurance adds protection against fire and theft. Comprehensive insurance offers the most extensive coverage, including protection for your vehicle and personal injuries. The choice ultimately depends on factors such as the value of your vehicle, your budget, and your risk tolerance. It's advisable to carefully consider your options and consult with an insurance provider, insurance agent, or broker to make an informed decision.